This is a 2017 Ford F-350 Platinum crew cab, gray over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, home link for your garage door, upfitter switches, traction control, front camera, satellite radio, navigation, electronic climate control, heated seats front and rear, cooled seats in the front, remote start, push button start, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, power deployable running boards, stylish wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel engine, so it's got lots of torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day 250-mile money-back guarantee.